So after taking a brief look at the instructions, looking at the pictures and skimming them, everything looks like it's going to be pretty simple to install. I'll definitely need one screwdriver to take out this screw here. And then insert the handle, which has a small slot on one side. It's really tight. Not much room to play with there. Definitely shouldn't be loose once we get it together and tightened up. And from there it has two separate modes, which this would be the sweeper mode. And it clicks and locks into place. And this switch here, you're switching between carpet and regular floor. It's not a switch, it's just a tilt button or pressure for this. Seems kind of strange, like the handle is facing the wrong direction. It has a nice long cord on it. And the button to detach and release the bottom. Excuse me, this for the base release, press here and it just lifts off. This is a release for the canister, which has a secondary filter there. And a release for, I don't know if this is a filter here, and there's also a filter up here. So, handy quick releases. Everything clips into place. And in the back, forward on the button to switch. And any questions you have, please post them up. For the mop for the dry mop and steam version, we have the other head, which this cover will just simply slide over. Connects to each of the Velcro points. And it says that all their products are tested. Well, I can't wait to try it out and give you guys a review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and please check back for an upcoming review.